Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install Parsec in your computer in a very simple way. Parsec is a low latency remote desktop tool originally built for remote gaming. So how you can simply download it? It's very simple. You have to open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for Parsec download. Click enter. And then you're going to get the first website. Click on the download Parsec and download for Windows 64-bit. Click on download, click on the folder icon, click on it 2 times to install, click yes for the permission and simply minimize or close all of your background tab. And now here you have to select all, click next, next, and the installation is begin. And now as you can see, Parsec is rightly downloaded. Now if you click on this folder, click on it. And as you can see, Parsec is rightly open. Now you have to log in over here. And if you didn't have any account, then you can simply sign up over here. Very simple. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.